Baseball cap, logo mockup, beginner, pro, God mode. Let's go. We're going to drag our PNG onto Photoshop, resize to fit, position it in place, press enter, done. Professional. We're going to bring our effects panel up, go to blending options. On underlying layer, we're going to drag our shadows up until it starts to show through the design. We're going to hold Alt or Option and split this arrowhead until that smooths out nicely. Press OK. And if we're feeling saucy, we can duplicate this layer over the top, clip it underneath, and use an overlay layer, change the opacity a bit just to bump up that threaded effect. Professional, done. God mode. We're going to fire up Substance 3D Sampler. We're going to drag our PNG into the program, import that as a bitmap. We're going to add a layer embroidery, double click, change this to base color, select our embroidery layer. We're going to up the density, we're going to change the design to fill and outline. We're going to bump the fill outline up. We're going to nudge our imperfections up just a little bit. Nice. And now we can right click and save this as a bitmap, as a PNG. Head back to Photoshop, position this in place, and we can even add some shadows and highlights to make that effect even more realistic. Done.